Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake leche flan. Begin by bringing ingredients to room temperature and preheating your oven while you prepare caramel. Whisk cream cheese until silky, then fold in condensed milk and eggs gradually to avoid lumps. Pour caramel into the pan, add batter carefully, and place in a water bath for even baking and a glossy finish. Measure ingredients carefully and set them out to streamline the process. Soften cream cheese completely so it blends without streaks. Warm the milk slightly to help them incorporate smoothly with the cheese and eggs. Whisk gently to combine, avoiding overbeating which traps air and can cause cracks. Prepare a thin caramel, pour it into the mold, and let it cool slightly before adding the cheese mixture. Cover the pan with foil to prevent water from dripping into the custard, and set it in a preheated oven inside a water bath. Bake until the center is just set and jiggles slightly for a creamy texture. Cool on a rack, then chill for several hours to firm up. When ready, loosen edges carefully, invert onto a serving plate, and let the caramel flow over the cheesecake layer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.